Here we go, first steps. First steps from man. First Sophia's step in the snow. I guess for Daddy too. I'm just wearing sneakers, but whatever. Ugh. Guess I'll just get a spot over here. Man, it's already going in my socks. Don't mind me though, have fun. It's just water basically. It'll dry. And I will eventually warm up. Oh yeah. Can you make a snowball or is it too cold? We have really cold winds, so I don't know if it's really good snowball or snowman making. Can it, does it stay? If you really pat it. Can I step here? Oh, it's better over here, jeez. Hey, no! Hey, what are you doing? I didn't bring my gloves, so I can't make snowballs. Oh, it's not very deep here because of the snow drifts. That's funny. You gonna make a snowman? I don't know if you can make a snowman with this kind of snow, so it's very, very powdery. Oh wow, yeah it is. Snowman's not gonna work, so sorry.
I know.
Impossible, I would say.
That's the tree.
Oh, is that how that works? Oh my gosh, I'm cold. I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit because my hand is cold. Look at you. Oh my goodness.
I want to make a snow angel.
Really? Go ahead then. You only live once. Wait, why don't you, if you do that, here, put your hood on. Here, put this on. Soph. Oh, you got snowy hands. Okay, I got it. Alright, now her hood is on and her hat. You gonna do it? So if you know you have to go in a spot like where there's nothing, here, come here. Stand here facing me. And then what you do, because you don't want footprints, and what you do is you fall back. Go ahead. Make a snow angel. Don't hit your head though. Just be careful. There you go. Nice and gentle. Oh yeah. She's a little nervous. There you go. Oh, little Sophia snow angel. Look at you. That's a good angel right there. Is it fun? Yeah? And then you have to get out gently so you don't mess it up. Just like stand up. Oh my god, it's cold out here. Whew. Here, I'll grab your arm. Oh, that's good. Here, I'll grab your arm, not your hand, because that's okay. Or I will. Ah, it's cold. Look at that angel. That's a good one. Good job, Soph. High five. Cold high five. Oh god, I regretted that. Look at that. Awesome. Oh, another one. Look at her face. Look at that face. Are you cold? Oh my gosh. That doesn't look, the face you're making doesn't look like you're having fun. But are you? Here.
I am, but there's just snow still.
Here, let me take your hand. Oh boy. There you go.
Now hold my hand.
Oh, that's so cute. They're like lovers. That's awesome, Soph. And she loves snow. I guess any kid does, huh? Is it getting deeper and deeper as you walk? Those snow drifts really throw you off. Look, I'm standing on like concrete over here. There's like a ½ an inch of snow right here. Meanwhile, there's like... Oh, nice! Meanwhile, just like almost 2 feet spots because of the drifts. Yeah, it was very windy yesterday. Good times?
Well, we'll show you how to make it.
Sure. Is that how you do it? Oh. Oh, that's a deep handprint. Look at that. Very cool. You let me know if you're getting cold, okay? She won't though. She's having too much fun. Filling it in the hand. Fill it back in. Look at all these footprints, all from Sophia. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness graciousness. Oh, another snow angel. Oh my goodness. Are you stuck? Are you stuck?
Yes.
Sophia said she's swimming now. Swimming in the snow. Oh my gosh. Oh, to be young again. And not have a worry. I mean, I guess I could do that now, right? What's stopping me? I'm not gonna do that. And this glove, just looking at this glove alone, shows you that it was a successful snow playing session, I should say. Alright, let's take this off.
So cold.
I know, let's go make some hot cocoa. She had snow angel head, snow in the back of her hat. Alright, let's go in. Let's get warm. What do I do with these? Oh my gosh. They're frozen. Oh no. Oh no. I dropped it. Whew. Was that fun though? Not really. A little bit, but I wasn't playing in it, so that helps. Oh my gosh, you're an ice cube. Ah, get off of me. You want hot cocoa?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, hot chocolate for the girl. Ooh, you excited? Yeah. Stir that deliciousness up.
Do you have marshmallows in it?
Oh, no, I don't. We do have them now. I'll get it.
Can you get
Does it have the little...
ones?
Yeah, we still have the snowman
Put in
ones.
the snow.
Haha. Oh, yeah, baby. Actually, can you help me? You can get 2 of them. And throw them on top.
I want to get... I want the one with the headphones. Looks like it has headphones.
Oh, yeah. Probably earmuffs.
Yeah. No, just the plain snowman. Oh, the cheek fell off.
Very cool. Alright. Enjoy yourself.
Oh.
I will take that. So fire safety, I don't know why it's gray, but I went with the kitchen and home one as opposed to just the home one, which was red. So I don't know if anybody knows the difference. It doesn't seem like there's a difference. It just seems that this is also for kitchen as well as home. So I don't know. Went with this one. It's only like $21 or something. Not too bad to have a little bit of fire safety. I'm gonna keep this under the sink. What are you doing, little girl? Oonies! Liz and Sophia did this yesterday. And you love it, don't you? Oh, I showed it this morning, right? I showed the little fish guy you made.
Do you want to see how to make it?
Uh-huh, I see. Right there.
Do you guys want to see it?
Yeah, just do what you're doing. Ooh. And then you open it up, and then... What? It's like magic.
So, what color do you want guys make?
Blue.
Well, I only have 2 more left, and I have a bunch of the other colors.
Okay, then the other color.
There's not a lot of other colors. There's only a lot of purples because that one came in 2 packs of purple.
Oh.
And one of the other ones.
Okay. There's such a contraption over here.
Push this thing down. Put this thing in. Lock this thing. Lock this thing. That thing, and then pump it.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Looks super duper cool.
And pump it one more. There. And then just first lock the orange, and then do... It's a little, sometimes it's a little too big.
Yeah. Oh, it gets stuck in there a little bit. Cool. Very nice. Very awesome.
Let's see if I can flip it. It's hard.
Oh, like shooting it or something? Oh, it's sticky too. They're kind of sticky.
But these ones aren't sticky because they last a day. Different noses.
Oh, well there you go. That's always an option.
And then you can make like little towers out of them. Like this.
Like balloon towers?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's a lot of Oonies. Very cool.
It looks like a piece of popcorn.
It does. Take a piece of popcorn and then you eat it.
No matter what this life may bring, I'm looking on the plus side of things. Whether rain or shine, you can have this heart of mine. I'm looking on the plus side of things. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm looking on the plus side of things.